Hello, my viewers. Again, here is teacher Asaf Kariuki, and I've made a decision to make this video or be in a live stream session with you again so that I can at least be able to assist you on the easiest ways in which you can be able to maneuver through paper one without struggles and how to pass in paper one without struggles. So before we get into our real thing, we need to understand that what does paper one entail and which topics are specifically assessed in KCSE paper one in mathematics. So number one, we need to understand that KCSE mathematics paper is registered as code 121/1 or 121/1. And in mathematics paper one, we also need to understand that it is divided into two separate sections. We have section one, which consists of 50 marks cumulatively, and we have section two, which still consists of 50 marks cumulatively. In the first section, or in section one, we need to understand that in these 50 marks, all questions are compulsory. You are supposed to answer all the questions in maths paper one, section one. When we get to section two, you are supposed to select 5 questions, and each questions in section two carries 10 marks. Section two has 8 questions, while section one have 16 questions. The 16 questions cumulatively has 50 marks, and out of the 8 questions in section two, you are supposed to choose 5. Those 5 each carries 10 marks, and once you do that cumulatively, you are going to get 100 marks. So for you to do very well in section one, that is the first uh, part of paper one, you need to understand that most of the assessed work in paper one consists of form one work and form two work. And once you are familiar with those two forms, you will be able to maneuver very well in section one questions. So all the way from introduction to mathematics, natural numbers, integers, angles and plane figures, reciprocals, area and volume of solids, reflection and congruence, rotation, similarity and enlargement, trigonometry 1, all those topics at large are always assessed in paper 1. Without forgetting, Form 4 work, there is a topic that is commonly assessed in paper 1, that is differentiation and its application. And we also have area approximation. Those two topics in Form 4 are also assessed in paper 1. Matrices in Form 3 is also assessed in paper 1. So Form 3 work, apart from matrices, Form 4 work, apart from what we have just called area approximation and differentiation and its application, all the other Form 3 and Form 4 work is assessed in paper 2. So the rest is assessed in paper 1. So ensure that when selecting questions in section 2, you are very sensitive when selecting your questions. Graphical questions, I always call them booster questions simply because it's very easy to score in section 2 if you have graphical questions. So when you come across graphical questions and at one point, maybe it's your time now, you are trying to improve your grades in mathematics, ensure you choose a graphical questions because those are questions in which you are very, or it's very easy for you to make good marks out of them. You will not require a lot of struggle. In fact, the struggles are just minimal. It's very easy for you to do very well in graphical questions. So kindly ensure that you work on section 2 questions. Don't choose a question that you know you are going to score less than 50% of the question or get less than 5 out of 10. Kindly ensure that the questions that you are going to choose, you will at least score 5 and above, 5 marks out of 10 and above. Remember, you are not proving any greatness in selection of your questions. Ensure you select wisely. Select the areas you are strong in. Don't select a question that you know you are not good in. And by doing that, you will be in a better position to improve your grades in Maths Paper 1. And I'll soon make another video to try and explain on how we can simplify paper 2 and something good will come out of us. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You know I got you.